Hello, everyone. Amanda Rueda here, and I want to show you a super quick way that I'm using GitLab Duo today in my workflow. So I was just reviewing a piece of work that we will be releasing soon. And one of the things that I want to make sure is apparent, and truly it should have been done prior to the start of work on this. So I'm trying to get ahead of that now moving forward. But one of the things I'm trying to do is ensure that our engineers and teams working on the piece of development that we're looking for understand the user value. And typically, we're pretty good about helping to describe how this affects the user, how it improves their jobs to be done. So if you were to, read this summary, you'll understand, what is the user behavior we're looking for, what are the user stories, and so forth. But one thing that I've noticed that I don't do a great job currently at in my descriptions is explaining the customer value. So the business or the company that that user works for, how does that company, what benefits do they reap by our investments in issues? So I am using Duo Chat to help me create a quick summary of customer value. So here in my prompt, I am saying, what would you say is the customer value of this feature? I explain I'm not talking about the user value, I'm talking about the customer value. And I'm going to explain that I want this in some concise manner. So I'm going to say, please provide a concise summary with no more than 3 bullets and um, a summary paragraph. Okay, cool. So let's see what Duo Chat tells us. And then I am going to follow this up and ask if Duo Chat thinks that this is adequately represented in the description already and see what Duo Chat says. Reading the existing description. Um, Please reflect on whether this customer value is well understood. Or do I need to make it more clear? Okay. So first, while it's thinking about that, let's read. So the customer value of this work is increased productivity, improved workflow efficiency, enhanced user experience. So our investment in this feature benefits our customers. Where did it go? By optimizing their workflows, reducing time spent. Okay, that's exactly what I was looking for. Just a summary of like, how does this help the ultimate customer? And so then following up with asking, what can I do to make sure that that's well understood in the description? Um, Duo says it's generally well understood, but here are some ways that we can improve that. And then some very specific language I could add. So adding a customer value section or business benefits, incorporate the more quantitative language. Do we have a hypothesis about the potential time saving or productivity? So this is so this is a really great way to kind of brainstorm what's missing on my work to ensure that I have well described the ultimate value so that when the team picks up this work, um, there aren't a lot of questions about what we're trying to achieve and why we're trying to achieve it. All right, thanks so much. Enjoy the rest of your day.